Hello, Melons. Today, let's make roast chicken together. I saw two videos from Chef Ramsay's videos. They are both amazing. I'm gonna take some recipe from there and make a little bit change it on it. Every Christmas, I always eat fried chicken since I was a kid. This year, I was like, you know what? I'll try something new. And I saw this amazing videos like years ago from Chef Ramsay, and I was like, I'll try it. Yeah, and then it turns out really great and amazing. So keep an eye on it, subscribe, and like, please. So when we are handling chicken, we're gonna take the tails up. There's so much fat in it, as well as we're gonna trim excess fat and the skin. And we're gonna just take up the wingtips. Just slice a knife between the wings and the wingtips. We're gonna cook the shallot just a little bit before the caramelizing start, and add some wine. And reduce the wine until almost is gone. For carrots and potato and garlic, we're not gonna cook all the way through. We're gonna just get a little bit of a color outside. Because at the end of the day, we're gonna cook those within the oven as well as inside of the chicken. So when you're stuffing inside of the chicken, push it down as much as you can. But at the end, save some room so we can put the lemon and cover it up. You don't really have to use chopstick. No. What is that called? Toothpick. You don't have to use toothpick. Like you don't have to close it up. It will not gonna blow up. But if you can, you can truss it with the strings or use a chopstick. Not a chopstick. Toothpick. For the rubs, I didn't specify how much you should do, because at the end of the day, you can control as much as you want. You want more saltier? Go ahead. You want to put something else than smoked paprika? Go ahead. Like whatever you want. Just make sure there's some oil, so you can actually um, hold the spices for you, as well as massage the chicken more. This is my first time trying this recipe. I was like, hmm, you know what? I'm gonna like try it out and see how it comes out. But I was like, wow, this a little bit of spiciness from the smoked paprika. I mean, you can use just regular paprika powder as well, and juicy, juicy meat. Like, oh my god, it was so good. Thanks for watching video today, my lons. Don't forget about subscribe. I'll see you next time. Merry Christmas.